Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to update firmware on DJI Osmo Action 6. Once your camera is already set up with the phone, which means it is connected to the app, if there's an update available, it will automatically start downloading it. And as you can see, it does that. So that is basically, you don't really need to do anything. You can go to device management, I think, but I would need to log in, so I don't really want that now. It is automatically downloading if new firmware is available, so let's just wait for that, and later on we'll install it on the camera. So I'll just get back to you in a few minutes. And once it hits 50%, you need to install it. So I'll turn the camera on because, yeah, okay. Let's click on install, connect. It'll start searching for my device. Let's connect to it. It'll ask me for the Wi-Fi probably. Yes, it does. Let's join. And now it is in progress. So it tells me to wait 2 minutes. I'll get back to you in those 2 minutes. Okay, and it shows update success on the phone and the camera is currently restarting. So let's click on done in the app and it should be basically done. It says updated. So that is it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.